Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let me show you how this little zipped up bag can change your travel. This tiny little packet I throw in my luggage turns into a massive check size bag, and I am so in love with it. This little guy comes with all the key features. It has the strap to hold it on another piece of luggage, a section for shoes to keep that out of the main compartment, straps, and even additional pockets on the outside. I absolutely love this because when you go on vacation, you don't always want to take two full luggages. So with this, you have the option to pack one away, and then when you're coming back with all the goodies, you can go ahead and unfold it. I was able to carry this without any problems throughout the airport and even around the city. It is a super great and comfortable. Even after we packed it full of stuff, it made the journey back with no problems. There was no damage to it whatsoever, aside from a few scuffs from being thrown around by the airport workers. I won't be traveling without this again, but that's just my point of view.